Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa Family. And in this video, I just want to give a health advice to actually Kish my world. He's a Kenyan. He actually lives in Europe. I think he's Dee Mwango's boyfriend or best friend or travel buddy. I don't know, but he's something because he actually host her in Europe on her last trip, and he's in Jamaica right now and he's sick. So I just want to make this video, family. As you know, it's the morning time here in Kenya. I just exercise and I just shower and I have my watermelon, family. And I'm actually at a spot in nature, family, where I'll come to exercise every morning. I'll come here to exercise. So, while I was exercising this morning, actually, the inspiration actually come to me. I was just scrolling through YouTube and actually see this his community post that he's sick in Jamaica. And as you know, guys, Jam Tours is into health. We actually into vegan choice foods, we're into alkaline foods, and we're into all of these foods that actually help people to stay young and sick free, family. So I'm having my watermelon, family, and I'm just gonna go out in nature, have this while I chat with you guys. As my videos, family, I think I should do more maybe advice video, try to advise people on how to live, and how to have a better life, and how to, I feel like that's my niche, and each time I actually do other videos, I have to come back to giving advice to people, and hope they'll take it, and I hope they will learn something from it, family. So, in this video, I'm just going to talk about Kish my world. As you know, he's in entanglement with Dee Mwango and stuff, and he actually hosts Dee Mwango in Europe. And from his videos that I watch, family, Kish my world actually did a kidney transplant because his sister need a kidney, and he actually did a transplant and give his sister one of his kidney, family. So kudos. I'll maybe do the same thing if it was for a family member. I don't know, this guy seems to be a good guy, he's a nice guy and stuff. So I just want to give him some advice. He's in Jamaica right now, and I just want to educate him about Jamaica a little bit, about the foods and stuff. And and I'm sure, I don't do research on this, but I'm sure we can find something on Google that if you have one kidney, there's a special way you have to live, because your kidney is very important. And if you have two and you give away one, then you have to do something different to actually support that one, so you can actually stay healthy, family. So he's in Jamaica right now, and fast forward back, he was in Europe, and I watched his video when he called Dee Mwango and said everything was ready, he was ready to come. So in my head, I suppose that it's Dee Mwango influenced him to go to Jamaica. He say he always want to go to Jamaica, but Dee Mwango is there now, and he hosts Dee Mwango's. Y'all know when you host Dee Mwango what's gonna happen and stuff. So don't be surprised he maybe sleep with her, have a one fling, and he's trying to get with her because, as you know, family, he actually clickbait already saying that he was trying to get the date Dee Mwango or something like that. So something of sort is in the making. So he actually flew out to Jamaica and stuff, family. But my condolences. I hope you get well soon. I hope you see this video, and I hope you actually take some advice from a Jamaican, somebody who into health, somebody who actually is actually in your country. He says he's maybe from the Meru tribe, I think, and Kikuyu and Meru are like the same anyways. They actually speak similar language. They are both from the central Mount Kenya side, and they are good people. So I know that he's a good guy, and I know that he's just trying to get to with Dee Mwango, and and I just here to give him some advice, family, because I'm a victim, but a different type of victim. So I'll do another video about this to let you guys know why Dee Mwango say Jam Tours and Arround is a billionaire. Why she make those talks that we are billionaires. So I will just explain and elaborate on that. But in this video, I just want to give Kish my world. Let me actually enjoy a piece of my watermelon, family. To clear my throat. Let me clear my throat. Yeah, family. So as I was saying to you guys, this advice is to Kish my world. You're in Jamaica, you're sick, and as you know, guys, Dee Mwango is not loyal. You know what I mean? I'm sure you and Dee Mwango talk about coming to Jamaica, and Dee Mwango say when you come to Jamaica we're gonna make videos, we're gonna actually stay together or whatever. I don't know what's the plan, family. But as you guys know that Dee Mwango is not loyal to nobody, family. Dee Mwango is loyal to the man that have the resources, have the car, and have what it takes to move her around to make videos. And then she will come back and see in our videos that is our brother made her. Like her brother was there, you know, when I was in Ghana. When I was in Ghana, I have a driver that take her around and stuff and all that and stuff like that, family. I am the one taking her around and doing everything. And I wasn't on YouTube. I wasn't doing YouTube or anything like that, family. So that's to show you that, you know what I mean, Dee Mwango is not loyal to no one. Once she get where she get, she gone. So she get what she get from you in Europe, and you're trying to come behind her now in Jamaica, and she leave you sick on your bed, out with a Jamaican. But you got to know that Jamaican men don't take foolishness. So all this is running around with Kino and stuff. We Jamaicans, we know to dodge a bullet. And that's the reason why, you know what I mean, we can escape from most women who try to tie us down and try to do us wrong. We always escape and come out as the bigger person on top. So, you know what I mean, you can't watch Kino. Kino is a Jamaican and he know the flex, he know what time it is. So, you know what I mean. So I'm just telling you this, Kish, that, you know what I mean, in Jamaica, the foods in Jamaica is like slave food. The food in Jamaica is the food that the slave master bring from, test the food and notice it's rich in a lot of energy and carbohydrates. So they bring those food for the slave, for them to work hard on the plantation. So that's the type of food Jamaicans eat, starchy food, just like West Africa, just like Ghana. I was there and a lot of people was sick around me. In Kenya, no one around me is sick. People don't get sick in Kenya because of the type of food that they eat. So in Jamaica, you know, I know people rave so much about Jamaican food, and I actually, you know, like Jamaican food, but I know that it's not good for my health to eat it constantly, family. It's very acidic and it's very starchy. And you know, people nowadays is not really using up a lot of energy. People not working hard those like back then. You eat and you sit down in your office, all that starch turn into your body, create sugar, and you get diabetes, you get all these diseases, family. So you have to learn about alkaline foods. You have to learn about how to keep the body alkaline, acid. When the body is too acidic, you're gonna get sick, family. So Kish my world, visit vegan choice foods, learn the alkaline foods and try to find them in Jamaica and eat them more to stay not sick, family. So, you know, this is just my message to you, let you know that Jamaican food, people like it, but if you eat it for too long, you're gonna find yourself not even pooping. And if you're not pooping, family, it's a problem. You should be pooping 1 to 2 times a day. And if you're not pooping 1 to 2 times a day, something is wrong with you. So if you're from Jamaica and you're not pooping, something is wrong with you. You need to research the alkaline foods and incorporate them in your diet. You need to do a cleanse, you need to do a detox, a colon cleanse to clean out all of these starch and these things that stick up in your colon. This is just basic health. Thank me later. Visit veganchoicefoods.com and learn more, family. So Kish my world, I hope you're watching this, family. Hope you're watching this, my brother. I shouldn't have no beef with no man, no brother, because all I'm giving out is just advice. So if you feel like you're offended, something is wrong, because I'm not beefing with nobody. As a man, we both go through the same experience as a man. I have to deal with woman, family, divorce, all of these relationship problems, you not having money, woman cheating on you, all of these things. As a man, we both go through all of these things. As a man, you have to go through self-improvement, self-development, personal development, fix your finance and fix your health, and actually, know how to actually, support a woman and take care of your family and be a provider. So we all go through these things as a man, and I shouldn't have a beef with no man if I make a video try to advise somebody, on the right way and the right path, for their success, for their own good. So I am just in this video now trying to actually advise Kish My World. The best thing you can do, family, Kish My World, is to actually, learn about some alkaline foods. Get some key lime, burst it in the water, drink it. Get some coconut water, drink it. Get some callaloo. And, you say you're maybe a vegetarian, you don't eat meat and all of these things, that's good. But veggie chunks is not good, that's even worse than eating meat, because that's like cardboard, that's like plastic, that's nothing. So all of these foods that you're eating, is causing maybe the problem. I remember you only have one kidney, so you have to be careful and you have to be conscious of what you're eating, Kish My World. So, I know Dee Mwango leave your iron dry and gone to Mandeville with Kino, and you might not have somebody to support you while you're sick. But my advice is for you to find a nice Jamaican girl, treat her good, and make sure you're around and you do your own thing and get out of Jamaica when you can, family. Because yeah, family. So as I was saying to Kish My World, that just find a nice Jamaican female, and she'll take you around and stuff. I know being a YouTuber and traveling is very, when you come on to finance and stuff, I know it's very hard. And I know maybe you feel like you was gonna do video with Dee Mwangos and stuff and all of that, and get some clout and stuff. But Dee Mwango is not loyal to no one. Even though you host her and stuff, you might have a fling with her, that's it. It's the next, to move on to the next person. And that Kino is the man right now in Jamaica, and he's getting all the attention until the next, maybe Muzungu fly down or something. You'll see that she have a relationship going, and that's how she do it, family. That's how she do it and stuff. So this is just an advice for you, Kish, that I hope you get well soon, and I hope that you find someone in Jamaica to take care of you and to show you around and move you around, and you can go from parish to parish. It's gonna cost you a lot, because Jamaica is very expensive, as you know, and no one is doing nothing for you for free. Everybody wants something from you, because it's a tourist island, and that's how Jamaicans eat. They eat from the tourists. The regular man, that's why they can eat the food. So nothing in Jamaica is for free, and you just have to just take this information and actually stay healthy, because if you get sick in Jamaica, it's very hard for you. It's very tough for you as a foreigner. I can understand how you feel, that you come to make content, you come to make money. I don't know if you have other source of income and how you do your thing, but I'm sure you're good, and I hope this message reach you. I hope you can soul search and analyze the relationship with Dee Mwango, and actually make some move drastically in your mind. You don't have to even tell her anything that, or you see her or anything. Just make your own move in your head and do your own thing, because she's not loyal to no one. I know maybe you come to Jamaica and maybe buddy up with her doing videos and stuff, and see she run off with another man doing videos and stuff, and there's no doubt that Kino is some there. There's no doubt. Kino is the man right now. Him have the ride, him have, Jamaica. So, and Dee Mwango is an opportunist. So she'll think about it and say, why should I be with a foreigner just like me? I have to be with a local who can take me around and show me things, so I can get 1 million views and all these things. So it's all about views. As you can see, Kish My World, what she did to JB, it's always for views. And because I wasn't a YouTuber then you won't say anything about me. As you can see, I pick her up in Ghana and stuff, and all of these things. I host her and stuff, and I actually send money for her to actually rent an apartment for me in Kenya. And she actually, after I furnish out everything, put a tenant into my apartment and get the first month rent and deposit. She actually, scam me out of my apartment just because my name was not on the original lease. You know what I mean? And there's so much things to say, but I just never want to say because it's so shameful and embarrassing. I don't even want to say. And that's the thing. I just be the bigger man and just let the law deal with the thing and deal with my thing, family. So, Kish My World, I hope you get this message. and I hope you can actually find someone in Jamaica to take care of you, move you around, and you know what I mean, because it's a rough situation. Get sick in a foreign country, and you don't have no support and you don't have no help and stuff. You know what I mean? You know, and this is just what it is. It's just what it is, and you just have to just handle your business and take care of your thing. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know, guys, if I should just give advice to people on YouTube so they can have a better life and they can actually do some soul searching and try to find themselves and understand themselves and know that, you know what I mean, people out here is not real. You know what I mean? And you have to understand that people out here, you know, it's all, these YouTubers is all about the views and what they can get out of you, you know, and stuff, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. I'm out. One love. God bless Jamaica.